Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy and enjoy your life and keep smiling always. Amen. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet women's scarf designs, different color, different designs, different ideas in front of you one by one. I hope you like this collection, most attractive and most amazing collection. You know, crochet is always beautiful, trendy, expensive, stylish also. So I suggest you to watch this video till the end for more designs, more ideas about this collection. Dear friends, if you want to buy this amazing collection, you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get amazing crochet material like this crochet women scarf designs and others like crochet women long dresses, short dresses, bodycon dresses, full sleeve, half sleeve, sleeveless, off shoulder dresses, and women scarf designs like this flowering scarf designs also, and women poncho designs, caplet, cap shawls, circular jacket designs, open jacket designs, and baby crochet material like this crochet baby frock designs, crochet baby romper designs, shoes designs, crochet baby cap designs, women cap designs, men cap designs, long gloves, short gloves, fingerless gloves, and crochet jewelry like crochet women necklace designs, earrings, bracelets, finger rings, and feet jewelry like crochet women anklet designs, baby anklet designs, and many more things also. Always try to bring useful videos, useful content for you. So don't forget to like my videos, don't forget to share my videos with your friends, relatives, and also gives your feedback in the hammer section about the collection. So dear friends, now goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new collection.